What are you eating, Madeline?
Hey,
What is it?
hey,
A sweet roll?
roll. Hey, roll. Cashew.
Thank you. What are you doing here?
Yes,
Are you trying not to get your hands dirty?
Daddy.
They're already too dirty to touch your food anymore.
More.
I see.
Hey.
Let's see. Let me see you take a bite.
Why?
You're a ridiculous person, you know that?
Kitchen.
Is it good?
Good.
Yeah, it's all over your face.
Beep beep.
Beep, beep.
Beep beep.
Beep, beep. You want me to go close that? All right.